It's John with Total Knee Coach, and I want to share with you guys a few things that are often overlooked or underutilized that can help with your process of healing better and faster after knee replacement surgery. The first thing is nutrition. Sometimes we forget to talk to people about nutrition, but as it relates to total knee replacement, the number one thing you need to be making sure you do is get adequate protein intake. Before surgery, it's important and helpful. After surgery, it's important and helpful. For your body to heal like you want it to, you need to have adequate protein intake. Soft tissue healing, muscle strengthening, it all hinges on that. There's several other vitamins and supplements that can be helpful as well. You can read about that in the article posted in the notes below. But make sure you're getting enough protein intake in your diet. Number two thing that is sometimes overlooked is the importance of sleep. Our bodies heal really well when we're sleeping, and people that don't sleep as good tend to have higher levels of pain, higher levels of inflammatory markers. It's important that you get good sleep. So, after knee replacement, it can be difficult to figure out the best positions to sleep in. You can watch my video on how to get in and out of bed, position your leg appropriately so that you can sleep in the best position and sleep better. As you get your nutrition and your sleep right on track, those are two things that can help you have a better outcome, faster time, with less pain.